Hi, my name is Tobey Eugenio. I have the honor and privilege of being the art teacher at our sister school here in New Bedford. And today I brought one of my amazing students with me, Anyis Mendes, and we're at the Whaling Museum to talk to you a little bit about the power of art to make a difference in our society and the important role of a museum to tell those stories. So let's take a moment and go see what Anyis is doing and learn a little bit more about what art really is.
Thank you, Ms. Eugenio. Hi, my name is Anyis Mendes, and as an artist, I'm excited to share with you some thoughts on art and the role it plays in our society. Art is more than just a paintbrush on an easel. It has been so much more since the earliest cave paintings. Art as a visual image has always been a way to communicate. Although the definition of art is somewhat fluid, it's always used to convey a message. Let's hear Ms. Eugenio build more on this idea.
Oh, hi there. So glad to see you. I was just getting lost in this piece of artwork by William Allen Wall called The Nativity of Truth. It's really powerful, and it makes me wonder. Take a moment and look a little closer. What is it that you wonder about? What do you notice in this piece of artwork? What do you think the artist was trying to convey to the viewer? Can you learn some things about this piece and the time period in which it was created? What questions might you have for the artist who created it? Truly, some of the most powerful moments are the wondering and the feelings you experience when viewing a piece of artwork. And of course, the memories you create are as personal as the work that the artist has made themselves. I am so glad that a museum has taken the time to protect, preserve, and share this work with all of the community.
Museums play an integral role in preserving the history of our society. Museums at one point were only thought to be for the elite, but really they're for everyone. In the past, museums only showed one side of the story, and as a society, we are working to evolve to reflect on all humans' experiences. This is a painting of a woman, but believe it or not, it is made by a man. Museums today are intentionally collecting more artworks made by artists of more diverse backgrounds. Speaking of women, the Whaling Museum is actually hosting a project called Lighting the Way, which collects the stories of women, and you can interpret it in art any way you want. Art is universalness for everyone. Art is made to invoke emotion, start a revolution, and so much more. Just think about the way that art has impacted our society today in social media, with images and videos that are used to inspire people. So what's your visual story?